Today we are installing all kitchen appliances on site. Our appliances is the best quality and the best companies which you ever can meet, Miele and Gaggenau. From Gaggenau we have fridge built-in in kitchen and wine cooler. From Miele we have hood, we have dishwasher, we have oven and chiller. Also from Gaggenau we will have cooktop, which is glass finishing, but cooktop we will install together with the marble which will be on the top of this island, because we need to make special cuttings, exact size of cutout of this cooktop. After that we need to fix on the top and protect the joint between marble and the cooktop. After that one our kitchen will be done.
Nice song.
Oven, dishwasher and fridge already installed. Now turn will come to wine cooler. After that we will install all the wooden panels on the top and it will be one full kitchen layout.